Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the tune Haste to the Wedding, so stay tuned. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here and you're not subscribed to the Tune Project, go ahead and consider hitting that red subscribe button below, as well as clicking that notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. Alright, so jumping right into this one, this is a jig, so we are in 6/8 time and it's in the key of D major, which means we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So we're starting this first phrase with a pickup note on open A. Alright, and the second phrase also starts on open A on the downbeat. Alright, so hopefully you can already sort of feel this timing that we have, the 6/8 time that we have, and hopefully you're able to sort of emphasize those beats as we go along. And here is our third phrase, which is very similar to the first phrase, so hopefully you recognize this pattern. And lastly, starting on A. Alright, so we do have quite a bit of jumping around the strings in this A section, so what I'm going to do is play the whole A section at a slower tempo for you so that you can play along, or just listen if there was anything that you didn't catch the first time we went over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One thing to note in this B section is we do have more going on the E string, including the use of our fourth finger so that we can reach that B all the way up on the E string. So make sure you're comfortable with that before we get into this. And again, for this first phrase, we have a pickup note also on A, but this time it's our A on the E string. Alright, so there was our fourth finger B, and then on that little descending line there at the end, we just had whole steps all the way down from B to A to G. And then here is our second phrase of the B part. So again, that was all on the E string, just within those first few notes on the E string. Here is our third phrase, which starts off with a slightly different rhythm. We have a couple of sustained dotted quarter notes. Alright, so make sure you're holding out those dotted quarter notes for long enough, and if you wanted to count them out as eighth notes, you might find that to be easier, so you would just be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our final phrase of the B part is the same as our A part ending, so hopefully you recognize these notes. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the A section, and I'm going to play all of this B section together so that you can hear how it sounds and play along with me if you would like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. that was all of Haste to the Wedding. Congratulations for learning this one. I hope you enjoyed it. And I just wanted to quickly announce that we do have another jam workshop coming up this weekend. It'll be this Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Time. So if you haven't yet signed up for that, you can do so using the link in the description box below. We always have a lot of fun at these jam workshops. I teach you guys a tune. You can ask me questions. It's very interactive and low pressure as well. So I hope to see you guys there. And until next time, happy practicing. If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little Fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!